Hello everyone. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve WeChat update. To know how to fix or how to solve WeChat update, should just go to settings. After that, we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you find this list, you will search about the application of WeChat. When you find this list of app info, you will enter to the window of first stop and you will click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then this page we click clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because it may cause errors. And after that you can turn off your phone to fix that problem again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your